Polishing his. Oh, what a kick! What?
के बाद मुझे नहीं लगता वो मूसा के साथ
He finishes Abhimanyu right here.
Ladies and gentlemen, good evening and welcome to a night of world-class martial arts. Make some noise for Musa Reich!
Get ready to fight! Matrix Fight Night 6, we are live from
And now,
Platform
his
Satya
opponent,
Dubai.
welcome to the cage, Abhimanyu Rai! Ladies and gentlemen, presenting a mixed martial artist. He weighed in at 61 kilograms, representing Gujarat. Make some noise for Musa Hunter Reich. And now, presenting a mixed martial artist. He weighed in at 61.5 kilograms, representing Uttarakhand. Give it up for Abhimanyu, the Pahani Bees, Rai!
बहुत मजा आने वाला है राहुल। इस फाइट में हमें एक नया मूसा देखने को मिलेगा।
Manan, before the fight,
सही बात है राहुल, अभिमन्यु के अंदर आग भरी हुई है, लेकिन जैसे कि मैंने कहा इस फाइट में एक नया मूसा देखने को मिलने वाला है। मूसा बहुत ही अलग तरह की ट्रेनिंग करके आया है इस फाइट के लिए। मूसा ने माइक के अंडर ट्रेनिंग करी है। माइक इज अ ब्लैक बेल्ट इन ब्राजीलियन जिजित्सु हु हैज बीन लिविंग इन बॉम्बे फॉर द लास्ट 3 months एंड ट्रेनिंग मूसा रैश।
Manan, on the contrary, Abhimanyu ran his camp in Dubai. He's been training at TK MMA in Dubai, and he's also been polishing his. Oh, what a kick!
What a head kick!
Musa
That
Reich with the head
landed
kick.
Clean landed.
Well, I think that rocked up Abhimanyu.
राहुल, कॉन्फिडेंस पे भी बहुत फर्क पड़ता है। जब आपके मुंह पे पहला अटैक ऐसे पड़ जाता है, इट अफेक्ट्स योर कॉन्फिडेंस।
Oh, another one. Wow, looks like Musa is on fire tonight. Oh, there's a brawl between both of them.
बहुत ही बढ़िया कॉम्बिनेशन। अभिमन्यु ने अंदर घुसने की कोशिश करी और मूसा ने कहा नहीं, अंदर नहीं घुसना।
And I think this is the time when Abhimanyu has to change his game plan for the bout. He promised us a first round knockout, and let's see if he can pull it off.
राहुल, इस टाइम पे आप सोचो अभिमन्यु के दिमाग में क्या चल रहा होगा। मैं दूर खड़ा हूं तो मुझे लग रहा है, मैं अंदर जा रहा हूं तो मुझे लग रहा है। नाउ अभिमन्यु इज ट्राइंग अ टेक डाउन, देखते हैं क्या होता है।
Abhimanyu has both his underhooks, and I think Musa has an advantage here. Oh my goodness, this is the same thing that we saw when Abhimanyu and Clinton fought. Abhimanyu was in the same position and he was throwing elbows. Those vicious, deadly elbows that actually rocked Clinton.
So far, Musa is doing a good job defending that takedown.
Well, another knee by Abhimanyu.
और फाइट अब ग्राउंड पे आ चुकी है।
Abhimanyu is in the guard. Now herein, if Musa can pull a submission or maybe a dominant position, this can be an upset. And as I said, it's again the same position that we saw when Abhimanyu fought Clinton. They both were in the same position. And this is the exact position wherein Abhimanyu was throwing those deadly, vicious elbows.
सही बात है राहुल, ये एक ऐसी पोजीशन है जहां पे हमें देखने को मिलेगा कि मूसा रैश की जो ट्रेनिंग है उसका क्या फल निकला है।
Now what Abhimanyu needs to do is pull up. Oh my goodness! Now what Abhimanyu needs to do is get up, pass the guard, get on the mount and start landing those punches. Man, Musa is really sharp in this bout.
Musa is striking from the bottom, Rahul, and that is such
I think that's
a
a
delight
major
to watch.
surprise for Abhimanyu.
Musa's
Okay,
landing kicks, Musa's landing elbows.
A couple of hammer fist by Abhimanyu. Is Musa going in for the leg lock? Oh no, he doesn't have it. He doesn't have it. All right, I think he kind of has it. If Musa locks his ankle, I think this is over. This is over. This is going to be a major, major surprise for all the fight fans in the country.
Leg lock लगाने की कोशिश.
Well, Musa almost has it.
छोड़ नहीं रहे हैं वो उस लेग को.
I think what Abhimanyu here needs to do is get up, pull his leg out, and then get on a dominant position, maybe in a side control. Now again, Abhimanyu, what he needs to do here is just pass the guard, pull out his leg, pass the guard, get onto the side mount, and then maybe get onto a dominant position and land some punches. We've got less than 60 seconds in this bout now.
लेकिन राहुल, मूसा ने ग्राउंड पे इतना आसान नहीं बनाया है अभिमन्यु के लिए. मूसा ग्राउंड से अटैक कर रहे हैं, किक्स मार रहे हैं, एल्बोज मार रहे हैं, और वो काफी अच्छी स्ट्रेटजी है.
Manan, this is a different version of Musa altogether. He's been training at Matrix Gym in Bombay. He's been training in striking with Dhruv and Sandeep. And now he's been training in Jiu-Jitsu under Professor Mike, who's come all the way from Brazil. 30 more seconds to go in the bout.
एक और कमाल की बात बताता हूँ राहुल, अभी तक पूरे राउंड में हमको अभिमन्यु का अग्रेशन देखने को नहीं मिला है.
Well, I think the Pahari beast is no longer a beast in this bout.
इतनी जल्दी भी कुछ कह नहीं सकते राहुल, अभी तो पहला राउंड है.
Well, yes, this is the game of MMA. Anybody can pull in an upset. 10 more seconds to this bout.
ये स्ट्राइकिंग जो अभिमन्यु कर रहे हैं, ये इनको पहले करनी चाहिए थी.
All right, that was round one. Intense action from Musa. In the blue corner, taking on Abhimanyu Rai in the red corner. This is round two and the action begins. Known for slamming his opponents, but we've not seen any of this sort in this bout as yet.
बिल्कुल, पहला राउंड तो मैं मूसा को दूंगा, और मुझे यही लग रहा था राहुल कि इस राउंड में भी अभिमन्यु फाइट को ग्राउंड पे लेके जाएंगे. पहले राउंड के बाद मुझे नहीं लगता वो मूसा के साथ स्ट्राइकिंग करना चाहेंगे.
Well, Musa is looking really sharp, and I think the mistake that Abhimanyu has done here is he's not setting up his takedowns. He's bluntly going in for the takedowns.
Rahul, I don't think takedowns is a problem because he was able to complete and finish his takedown in the first round. लेकिन नीचे जाने के बाद वो कुछ ज़्यादा कर नहीं पाते हैं. ना तो हमें कोई ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड दिखता है, ना हमें कोई सबमिशन अटेम्प्ट दिखता है. What I would like to see is Abhimanyu doing more on the ground, throwing punches, throwing those hammers, or going for a submission.
Well, what Abhimanyu needs to do here is be more tenacious, get out of Musa's guard, take the side control, and then get on to the mount. But here in so far, Musa has been dominating this bout.
राउंड वन में राहुल कहानी बदलती हुई लग रही है मुझे. फटाफट अभिमन्यु ने टेक डाउन लिया है. पूरा राउंड बचा है, अभी राउंड में 3 मिनट बचे हैं राहुल. इन 3 मिनट में अभिमन्यु काफी कुछ कर सकते हैं इस पोजीशन में.
Yes, we've got less than 3 minutes in this round, and I think Musa is trying to work on a Kimura. No, he's not. Is he going in for the triangle? No. He doesn't even have a close guard. Oh, Musa is trying to lock in a triangle. Musa is trying to lock in a triangle. Manan, I think he's got it a little bit. All he needs to do is shrimp to the side and lock the triangle properly. Well, he kind of has the triangle. Musa Raish kind of has the triangle. Can he finish Abhimanyu Rai here? If he finishes Abhimanyu Rai here, it's going to be a major upset. We can see those deadly and vicious elbows thrown in by Musa.
राहुल, एक इंटरेस्टिंग चीज ये है कि चाहे ये सबमिशन लगे या ना लगे, लेकिन क्योंकि मूसा सबमिशन अटेम्प्ट्स कर रहे हैं, दैट इज स्टॉपिंग अभिमन्यु फ्रॉम डूइंग एनीथिंग. Abhimanyu is not able to strike. Abhimanyu is not able to go for any submissions because Musa is constantly doing something from the ground.
Exactly, Musa is very strong on his back and he's been controlling Abhimanyu. So far, Abhimanyu is totally deactivated. He's not been able to do anything.
हालांकि अभिमन्यु ऊपर है राहुल, देखो कितनी कमाल की सिचुएशन है। अभिमन्यु ऊपर है लेकिन सारा अटैक मूसा कर रहे हैं।
Exactly, and Musa's guard is open. All Abhimanyu needs to do is get up, get out of the guard, go to the side control and take the mount. However, he looks, oh, that's what he's done. He's almost in the side control, but Musa gets up. Musa, okay, do we get to see a slam here? No. Abhimanyu has the back, he's got the hooks in. Can he pull a rear naked submission here?
ये पोजीशन बुरी हो सकती है मूसा के लिए।
Well, this could be a major upset. So far, Musa has been dominating this bout. But if Abhimanyu pulls up a submission here, does he have the neck crank? Well, looks like a neck crank. We've got less than 45 seconds in this bout. Can Abhimanyu pull up a rear naked or a neck crank? He's got both the hooks in, he's got the body lock in. Oh, he's got the mount. Less than 30 seconds in the bout. All Abhimanyu needs to do here is get strong on the mount and throw punches one by one.
ये बहुत अच्छी पोजीशन है अभिमन्यु के लिए। यहाँ उनको कैपिटलाइज करना चाहिए, उनको अटैक करना चाहिए, सबमिशंस के लिए जाना चाहिए। यही मौका है उनके पास।
Manan, I think this bout is going the distance. We've got less than 10 seconds in the game. Now this is a different
देखो
version
इस
of.
पोजीशन में भी राहुल, माउंट में भी मूसा ने अभिमन्यु की स्ट्राइकिंग को रिस्ट्रिक्ट कर रखा है। अभिमन्यु बहुत ज्यादा स्ट्राइक नहीं कर पा रहे हैं।
Well, I think this bout is on. This bout is going the distance. We will be going to the third round. 10 more seconds in the bout.
Rahul, do you know what Musa's corner was telling him while Abhimanyu was on mount?
We are moving to the third round. Now Musa Raish, who comes in from a hunter family, has actually hunted the Pahadi beast here. He's dominated both the rounds and he looks very sharp, sharper than what he was in the previous bout. Taking on Abhimanyu Rai in the red corner. Let's move on to the next round. Manan, what do you think? What is Abhimanyu going to do to come back in this bout in this round?
मुझे लगता है कि ये राउंड भी बिल्कुल ही पहले दोनों राउंड्स जैसा होगा। अभिमन्यु मूसा के साथ स्ट्राइकिंग नहीं करेंगे।
Well, look at the way Musa is charging ahead. Look at his footwork. Oh, he throws. What a counter right hand. Abhimanyu Rai with the counter right hand.
बहुत हार्ड शॉट था वो राहुल, आवाज यहाँ तक आई थी।
Well, that was a heavy hand indeed, Manan. That was a fantastic right hand.
Now what I am interested in seeing is Rahul eating that right hand. How much does it inhibit Musa's ability to grapple?
Manan, Abhimanyu looks tired here. He's again stuck in the same position. The guard is open. All he needs to do is get out of the guard, go on to the side control, take the mount and start landing punches. But he looks ineffective here.
मूसा का ग्राउंड डिफेंस बहुत अच्छा है राहुल इस फाइट में। बहुत ही बेहतरीन ग्राउंड गेम देखने को मिल रही है हमें और मूसा मुश्किल बना रहे हैं अपने अपोनेंट के लिए स्ट्राइक करना या सबमिशन ले पाना।
Manan Musa has been training under for action. Both these guys out there to knock each other out. Well, that's not how you take the other opponent down. You know, what Abhimanyu needs to do here is set up his takedowns, throw a right punch, throw 1-2 and then probably set up a takedown. If he's going to go for a takedown like this, he might get a knee on his face.
सही बात है राहुल, इतनी आराम से टेक डाउन नहीं मिलता। You have to put a punch or a kick before a takedown attempt.
Whoa, another counter right hand. We've got 3 more minutes in this round. This is the round 3 of the first bout at Matrix Fight Night 6.
राहुल, मुझे लगता है कहीं ना कहीं अभिमन्यु को ये फील हो रहा है कि उनको ये फाइट खत्म करनी है।
You know what Abhimanyu is doing is relying more on counter striking, which is not the correct way. Again, they're in the same position. If they continue in the same position, I'm sure
Don't leave it to the judges.
Musa
You have to finish
is going to finish this fight via submission or via domination. So far, Musa has been really dominant.
There you go. Work.
बिल्कुल सही बात है राहुल। मैं यहाँ पे देखना चाहता हूँ अभिमन्यु को स्ट्राइक करते हुए। अभिमन्यु ग्राउंड पे जाते हैं, पोजीशन लेते हैं और उसके बाद कुछ नहीं कर पाते। उनके लिए बहुत जरूरी है ग्राउंड एंड पाउंड करना अगर वो ये फाइट जीतना चाहते हैं।
Manan, Abhimanyu is an explosive fighter. However, we have not seen any explosion in this bout as yet. He's a slam king.
हावी पड़ गया अभिमन्यु के मुंह पे। क्या टाइमिंग थी।
That's what I was talking about, Manan. If Abhimanyu is not going to set up his takedowns, he might get hit pretty bad. We got less than 90 seconds in this bout. Let's see what happens.
यहां से मूसा वही करेंगे जो वो करते आ रहे हैं, वो अपनी एल्बोज मारेंगे. He will look for a submission. He has been very effective on the ground, Rahul, even from the bottom position. And he's going to continue to do that. Look, he was just looking for a Kimura there. He has been very effective and he's again looking for a Kimura. और वो यही करते रहेंगे. मैं सोच रहा हूं कि अभिमन्यु क्यों नहीं कुछ कर रहे हैं इस पोजीशन से.
Well, exactly. Abhimanyu is in the side control. He just needs to slip on the mount and get on a dominant position. We got less than 60 seconds in this bout. And we also saw Musa trying in for a Kimura, but he couldn't pull it off.
But Musa has guard again. और ये kicks भी बहुत इफेक्टिव रही है राहुल मूसा के लिए ग्राउंड से.
Is Abhimanyu another kick? Another kick. Now Abhimanyu is swinging for the fences. Less than 30 seconds in this bout.
आखिरी 25 सेकंड रह गए हैं इस खतरनाक फाइट के.
The Musa here has the guillotine. Can he pull a guillotine? Can he finish Abhimanyu in the last 20 seconds? No, he cannot.
Round, Abhi, come on, we need this round, buddy. Need this round. Come on.
We got less than 10 seconds in this round now.
This fight goes to the judges, Rahul.
Well, yes, it's up to the judges to decide now who's best, who is better in this bout. This was the bantamweight battle between Musa Raish in the blue corner and Abhimanyu Rai. Sorry, Musa Raish in the blue corner and Abhimanyu Rai in the red corner.
1 second. Yes, yes. Do it again. Wait. Let's go, let's go, let's go. It's not done.
बहुत ही
All
बढ़िया.
right. All right, Manan, that was exciting. That was refreshing, you know. This is what Matrix Fight Night is all about. Young hearts battling it out to prove.
After 3 rounds of action, all 3 judges scored about 28-29, declaring the winner by unanimous decision from the blue corner, Musa Raish.
Raish has done it. Musa Raish is the man for the night. What an upset for Abhimanyu Rai. I think he's going to go back home and work a little bit on his striking and his wrestling, because Abhimanyu Rai looked really tired here.
बहुत ही बढ़िया प्रदर्शन रहा है मूसा का इस फाइट में. और एक चीज जो हमको देखने को मिली है वो ये है कि MMA वैल्यू करता है एक्शन को. आपके पास क्या पोजीशन है ग्राउंड पे या स्टैंडिंग गेम में वो मैटर नहीं करता.